One of the most coveted names in the current driver market is Carlos Sainz, who will leave Ferrari after the end of this year, as he has been replaced by Lewis Hamilton. Thus, the Spanish driver is in search of a new team, with Audi interested in his services, but Sainz choosing to wait a little longer before deciding his future, as he believes that more interesting opportunities may arise in the market. The main of these vacancies is Max Verstappen's, as information indicates that he may soon sign with Mercedes, which would open up a spot at Red Bull, the current top team. His manager even stated some time ago that certain situations would occur in the driver market, and therefore they would not be in a rush to make a decision, suggesting they had privileged information about some of these changes that could occur at Red Bull or Mercedes. Now, Carlos Sainz honored his manager and spoke on a podcast about the situation of the driver and whether they are in talks with any team, where he responded with some hints. Let's say it's an interesting period. Currently, the driver market has been thriving lately, and I think we will see some movement in the coming weeks. But for now, the juggling continues. Carlos also asserted that Sainz's fans can rest assured that there won't be any news about him this week of the Miami GP, as they are simply playing this game and waiting for the next moves, suggesting that soon we will have a better understanding not only about Sainz's future, but also about these moves he's referring to, as after the Miami race, Verstappen will have a meeting at Mercedes, which could end up being the move they expect to seal the deal with Red Bull. Well, do you think Sainz has a chance of going to Red Bull, or do you think Audi would be a better bet for the driver? Leave your opinion in the comments.